story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I will be showing you guys how I make my pepper shrimp. Yes guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my pepper shrimp, not how you make yours, how I make mine. And trust me, it's very delicious. Very delicious. So before you guys go down into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curry Goodaz. Guys, please to subscribe. Watch the full video. Tell a friend, tell your mother, tell your father, tell your sister about Life with Curry Goodaz. Yes guys, so I already have, as you can see guys, I already have my shrimp here. Guys, as you can see, I have my shrimp here. They're already cleaned. I'm actually using the old shrimp to make my pepper shrimp. So stay tuned. So yes guys, I'm gonna go by season my shrimp. I'm using a little tip of garlic powder, not too much, just a pinch. And guys, I am not using any measuring because you know you're Jamaican, we just throw stuff till our ancestors stuff is stop. Then I'm using a little black pepper. I'm not, it's gonna look like a lot of seasoning, but I'm using like a pinch of each, you know, because most of these stuff already have like salt in it and stuff, so you don't want to use too much. I'm using a little fish season, just a little, if you all realize. Some onion powder. Onion powder don't have no salt in it, you know, so you can go down in it. Remember, so you don't have no salt. This guys, and I come across this soul food seasoning, guys. It's very good. Putting some, it's a bit salty. I'm adding a little salt. Then we want to have the salty, spicy, everything. You know, so that's a pepper shrimp supposed to go. You know, I'm putting in my cayenne pepper. That's gonna help to give it that flavor, that nice flavor that you want. Also, my Cajun seasoning. Yes guys, so I'm going to rub these together and then I'm going to, so guys, I am putting these together. Guys, this is the cayenne pepper, it's very spicy. As I said, I'm making pepper shrimp, so pepper shrimp supposed to be pepper. So if someone asks me to make pepper shrimp, please don't ask me to make pepper shrimp and said why is it that pepper, because it's supposed to be pepper. If you don't want pepper shrimp, just say cook some shrimp for me, you know, don't say pepper shrimp. So yes guys, you see that? Look at this guys. So almost I wonder, say, well, and she not use no dry seasoning. Yes, I'm going to use dry seasoning. So I'm gonna go by these. I got some thyme, some pepper here, and some garlic, some cut garlic. Guys, I don't want to touch it because it's very spicy. I don't want to get spice on my hand. So I rub this together. I see a lot of people use food coloring, but I don't use food coloring in mine. That's their thoughts on it, but I don't use food coloring. You know, guys, this actually looks delicious already, and it hasn't started to cook. It hasn't started to cook. So look at this, guys. So I'm gonna put this down for 20 minutes, then I'm gonna get back to you guys. If you reach this far and haven't subscribed, please to do so. Yes guys, I just put my shrimp away. I actually leave it for 30 minutes because I had to do something. So yes guys, but as you can see, it's well marinate, you know it in the shell. And to me guys, the shrimp, when you make pepper shrimp in the shell, it tastes better because the shell holds the seasoning. So guys, I turn on my stove. Ooh. So the pot, I'm going to put butter in it. Guys, I'm using all of this butter right here, you know. Yes, guys, so I had the butter melt, and then I'm gonna drop these in. Some people like to use olive oil, but I like to use butter because butter gives seafood a big taste, you know. You give it that buzz there we are look for, that nice buzz there. Yeah, people. So I'm gonna leave it there. Make it kind of like fry, steam, you know. Guys, remember shrimp don't take long to cook. Shrimp is a trainer pot, stir 2 times, and finish. You know, it not take long. The only reason why this is taking a little time is because it's in the shell. I don't know, when shrimp in a shell, it take a little bit more time. You know, but the shell protect the shrimp from getting mashed and cushy. You know? I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So far, guys, this is how it looks. I know the screen is kind of blocking the camera. You see that? So, yeah. Same container that I seasoned the shrimp in, I had some water to it, and I'm going to throw it in the shrimp. I really Jamaican know that this is all we do. If we're doing chicken, anything, we don't just throw any water. See the same container we season the meat, you know? Yeah, that we normally use. Guys, this looks extra hot, man. Guys, look at my pepper shrimp. Get into it, guys. It's a bit dark. So guys, this is the finishing product of my pepper shrimp. Get into it, guys. So yes, guys, as you can see, I'm going to have my pepper shrimp with some potato and corn. Guys, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you on the next video.